Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Aquadiction and another fish room update. So we have made several changes to the fish room this week, and we'll do a quick 360 of the room and then we'll discuss everything that's new or been changed. We will begin with what was previously our stack and our aquarium. I'll put a picture of how it looked in the top left hand corner of the screen. We've completely deconstructed this one, emptied everything out, replaced with some floor tiles on the bottom. We originally wanted some tiles that look kind of like a patio, but apparently there's a national shortage of tiles in the UK right now, I guess because of COVID. So we essentially just made do with tiles that we had left over from our living room. Basically got rid of all the guppy grass, which is a great plant. It does a fantastic job in terms of giving fry places to hide, so the yield's a lot higher when you are breeding guppies and endlers, but it just can take over the tank and it just doesn't look that attractive. And we want the fish room to look more like a show fish room rather than just a working fish room. So the plant we have decided to go with, which is mainly Hydrophilus simensis. This is a plant you just have to try no matter what your skill level is. It's very reliable. You've probably heard of water wisteria. This plant is a cousin of it. It brings a big stem plant look to the aquarium, especially useful for background. We're going to be filling in most of the aquarium with this plant, again to give our guppy and endlers places to hide. That's if we do put guppies and endlers back in this one. Currently we're using it for our snails. So we've got our white wizard snails, we have our white Hercules snails, and we have our yellow spotted rabbit snails. We also have some black rose shrimp, which we're hoping to breed in bigger numbers. Currently there's about 15. So yeah, that's it for this aquarium. It's totally rescaped. It doesn't look amazing right now. We need the plants to fill in, and when I said Hydrophilus simensis, there is also Hydrophila polysperma, which is equally easy plant to keep. Really what we want is low maintenance aquariums. Next over we have another 300 litre aquarium. Again, we've completely rescaped this one. I'll put a picture on the top hand corner like the last one. And this used to house our metal black lace. We've currently put in around 15 of our Bloody Mary shrimps just to test it out. There's also a few assassin snails to clear up the last of the pond snails we have a problem with. And my wonderful partner, best friend and wife is about to add another, I believe it's 85 Bloody Mary shrimp to the aquarium. So here goes. So far just a lot of dirt. They are coming. Just wait for it. And they're away. So this is our Bloody Mary line of shrimp. They've been in with our Blue Star endlers for about a year and a half now. We've decided to just dedicate the whole aquarium to our Bloody Mary shrimp because they are such a nice line. They always breed true. We have very, very rare corals in this tank. Well, in this strain of shrimp. So they're going to now be housed here on their own, possibly with some snails, but no guppies and endlers, to maximise the amount of babies and make sure none of them get eaten. They're an absolutely stunning line of shrimp that, I mean, the colours. Yeah, so we're very happy with these, and just the rest going, and they got caught up in the tub as she was pouring them in. Hopefully they'll be very happy in here. I mean, look at the red. You just can't beat that red. Absolutely stunning. So, and the Aquascape just makes life a little bit easier for us. We can gravel vac the slates a lot easier without necessarily sucking up baby shrimp. That's the plan anyway.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
And that's it for these two aquariums. They've been done. Moving over to our indoor pond. This is only temporary. Hoping if the temperatures pick up in the UK in the next week or so, these can go outside. Currently all of our stack endlers are in here. As you can see, they're very happy, breeding like crazy. And yeah, we're just waiting for the temperatures to pick up, then they're going to go outside with the rest of our ponds ready for summer tubbing. So we've got 3 out here so far. The one in the living room will make the 4th. The first one, this is just our Daphnia culture. It's survived every year so far. That'll just be used for Daphnia, basically, for the rest of the fish room. In here, one of these two, we're going to be putting our Vietnamese white cloud minnows, which are a smaller version of the white cloud minnow. In my opinion, a slightly bright colour. So we've redone this one as well. This was our blonde blush tank. Again, we're just using the same theme. We're going to just replace the bottom with the floor tiles, and push some rocks back and build the soil up and plant some plants. So this is our wild guppies. Very happy in the new Aquascape. Not really sure you can class it as an Aquascape. It's not exactly great. It's just kind of making things practical and look slightly better. And this is our Tigra Endler colony. Not so many of them right now. We also have our orange really shrimp in this one, if I can focus on them. Yeah, so orange really is not the best orange really line that we've come across. Some of them quite nice. This chap's obviously quite funky. There's a few wild types being thrown from these guys. There's a green one you can see just, well, if the camera will focus. You currently won't. Might have to get the macro lens out. So yeah, that's them 3 we've so far got around to rescaping. And we're just going to go around every tank in the fish room and do the same style. Or hide your Phyllosemensis at the back. So that brings us to the end of our third fish room update. We haven't shown you the tanks we have in our kitchen. Currently we have 4. Well, we have 3 set up and we have a 4th one, a 200 litre that we're about to set up. Promise that'll be in the next video, as well as one in our bedroom.
At the time of recording this video, we currently have 174 subscribers. My amazing partner and I would just like to take the time to thank each and every one of you for watching our videos, liking, subscribing and staying subscribed to us. We really appreciate it. Please stay tuned for some future content. But for now, goodbye and take care.